I just created this recipe and the name is TAT.
No.
No?
T. N is in Nancy. T. TNT.
Okay, TNT. This is the name of this recipe. That is tacos and tofu. So for vegetarian people, it's really good because I took the pita bread, this one, and I cut the pita bread in half. So which is mean I'm using only half of the pita bread, and it's very low in carbs. I put it in the oven, and the tortilla, it got very, very crunchy, delicious. And I put on the top some tofu. I cut the tofus in little squares with coconut oil, coconut aminos, and sesame seed oil. Below that, I put the broccoli sprouts below the tofu, and then I put picadillo de gallo, that is the tomatoes, the parsley, onion, olive oil, salt, pepper, and lime. And then I made the guacamole. I smashed the avocado with cilantro, with a little bit of orange bell pepper, salt, a little bit of the olive oil. What else I put? A pinch of salt, and I think that's it. And lime too. So I put everything exactly like a tacos, but it's super healthy because as you see, I start eating it. It's good and it's very low in carbs. This is my dinner for today.